The link to my new YouTube channel is below in the description. Please click on it, subscribe. All the videos from my old channel will be going away, and they've all moved to my new channel. Some of them are edited to make them shorter, and I've also added some links to the products that I use and some of the websites where you can find some things. I've had to move everything over to a personal YouTube channel just because if I change jobs or retire or if my position gets cut, I lose access to this YouTube account. So I just wanted to move it over so that I can keep creating content and answering all of your questions and comments. I also wanted to give you a teacher tip while I'm here. As you can see, I've got one of my YouTube videos playing in the background. What I like to do is I like to introduce a project, get the students started, and then while they're working, I just play this video on loop. What this does is it kind of doubles the teachers in the classroom. So there's me up there teaching, and there's also me walking around teaching, and this allows me to help my students one-on-one with their projects and answer some more of the in-depth questions, while this really just answers some of those short questions that students have that can be answered with a video. My goal is to make free content for teachers. I'm a teacher myself, and I like short, concise videos that can really help the students get to the actual making art process.